To reset your Nest Protect, press and hold the Nest button and release the button when the Nest Protect speak.
Bonjour de Nest. Version numéro 2, 0, 0, 5. Suppression de tous les paramètres dans 10 secondes. Appuyez pour annuler. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Suppression de tous les paramètres. Bonjour de Nest.
Hi from Nest.
Appuyez sur le bouton maintenant pour continuer en français. Prêt? Appuyez pour commencer le test. Il s'agit seulement d'un test. L'alarme va se déclencher. Le volume de l'alarme est fort. Le test débute dans 10 secondes. Appuyez pour annuler. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!